you want another application, there are two ways to access this. Number one, you can access via the Google Play Store. You will need to be logged in to a Google Drive account on the panel in order to access the Google Play Store. To do that, obviously just tap on the Play Store icon. Once you're at the Play Store icon, do you want to see recommendations? I don't, because there's certain things I know that I want. So I'm going to head over to this side and tap my little search icon over here. When I tap my search icon, if I want to search for something, maybe I want to use PowerPoint because we're a Microsoft house, or whatever you want to use, I'm going to go ahead and search that. And then as I search for PowerPoint, all of my options will pop up. You can just install things directly from here. You can see that my little rotating wheel is telling me that it is currently installing. So after it's completely installed, it'll get those little wavy lines telling me that it's installed. That will show up on the second page of my screen. Now, that second page of my screen, as I scroll over, it's going to be right there. So again, I can click and hold and drag that to my home page if I'd rather have it on my home page for quicker and easier access. So using the Google Play Store is option number one. Option number two is something called the Newline App Store, where you do not need to be logged in to the App Store in order to be able to download apps. To access the Newline App Store, we're going to come across the bottom, use any finger, swipe up, and then we're going to alphabetically search for the Newline App Store. Tap on Newline App Store, and then any app that you would like to use here will pop up. Now, as I'm searching for things, sometimes things are a little easier to search for than others. So for example, I know Google Earth is an app. So if I were to type in Earth, and it shows with no apps available, that means that the app that's in the Newline App Store is not compatible with the Android 16 that your panel is on. So only applications that are currently available for Android 16 will pop up when you search for them, even if they're available somewhere else. So as I'm searching, if instead I want to search for Adobe. Again, here we go. Here's Adobe. I tap my install button. It's going to do the same exact thing. It's going to install directly on my panel. Once we're waiting and waiting, don't leave this page. Be patient. Let it stay there. It will say open when it's ready to go. So now that you're downloading, you will get a progress bar to let you know that it is downloading. Once it's there, you will notice that it will be on that second page. If you don't see it on the second page, don't forget, you can always swipe up to get to all of the applications that are currently downloaded to your panel, and you will see them there.